Medamase Moba African Professor one on filtered, my spokesperson with chief linguist, African Professor one the Kasabo Modern subscribe share. Hit notification bear na minya video bia na fufu bia na ansakabi. Join the African Professor one family. Move conversation together. And one more time, African Professor on filtered, my spokesperson with chief linguist ne Kasano. Etine me from Kwachibia again. We are also follow up to video me year and ras and son about JB Danquah me sign you because you see we are no send one can a month for be my can a propagate and as propaganda sana adibia no credit me no credit because unsen contempo so repeating contempo over and over and over again a be no credit eti contempo mo kafa JB Danquah about Ghana independence said Ghana's struggle for liberation and I said independent from the British no amafo bebre akachi and one distort no somehow no we making it seem say JB Danquah play any role na se be kra da JB Danquah kra no onye nipa onti ase nti nukre no na pese de to bebia da bia na again na meka yen bibia na say tribalism ni ade nti no wo kan kra so ye tribal this memenye se be menya achimni pure born Asante but in the credit Asante ni achimni ali nipa bako ba se we anwani we igwe nyina ye Ghana fo nipa bako but de no credit no mo me mfanto ti den koma me ni mu di ma to di me say what JB Danquah did to bring the Ashantis, Bonos, and the Northerners, all of them to join Ghana's struggle for liberation and as independence. And I say JB Danquah's crucial role in bringing on board the Ashantis, Bono, Northerners, no, and yeah, they are doing now to join the Ghana's struggle for independence. The JB Danquah, no fast one, that's all Boama, Asante for name, Bono for name, Northerners, near the thing in Abeka. Liberation struggle for independence for British, no. And who has some kakana person maker? Etine video no, ni dino no. Na debia see a Ghana, your history, a can be said. The big six. They can say the big six are more some seven. And you will get her, kitri more, kukunye struggle, ne demonstration near the day. So who sit in here, I don't know near Brofono, and if boss says he said, Goku says, idea Hosono. Hanti ye kase big sister JB Danquah kahum Dr. Nkrumah and as Nkrumah president first president Dr. Nkrumah Dr. JB Danquah Edward Akufo-Addo a former president papa your friend say Emmanuel Obichebe Lamte Akwanji Oforiata Sankofen that doesn't mean say Nkofo bebre nka liberation struggle no because Pagrants is one the wealthy guy on cry the formal UGCC on the Wiska or Diska one cry or ma before I say Odiska ta JB Danquah Chima or Mokofan Krumaban be a general secretary of UGCC I feel who said opportunity be our 10 or ya until young Kofobibria they were part of the struggle for liberation, Ghana liberation for independence in the market but Nkofobia mkoya ibi achi wamu 1948 route bi wa Accra no mo ha achi wamu no Nkrumah aka ho JB Danquah Edward Akufo-Addo Emmanuel Obichebe Lamte Akwanji William Oforiata I say omiesa omu 6 no omu na ye have come to name the so-called big six no but me ka we nyina amra kosi so hwe sa di ni nyina Asantehene bia nim eni sa big six ni mu ena abroni bia nim ena ma hu not na ni bia di nim nti hwe mu Accra Western region no basically ena omo form a friend say the big six no na the team ni nyina ba Asante tama no mu struggle for independence no na Asante for nka ho na bro for nka ho not in the senior nka why because na Asante for bro nyina a Ashanti part of the Ashanti kingdom omu independent ti basically we hwemu a so maybe to say central and the northern say central part of Ghana say Kumasi area Ashanti region and the northern and sa bro area ho nyina bro hafone bro area ho nyina they part of the Ashanti kingdom. They formed their own, they were not under the British rule. Into your case Gold Coast now, near case Gold Coast now Ashanti region, Brown region, some part of the Volta region, Uti area, Northern region, they were not part of the Gold Coast. It's near case Gold Coast. Gold Coast near, if I said, maybe to say, present day Western region, Central region, Greater Accra region, Eastern region, and some part of the Volta region. No, near Gold Coast. It's not just a song, what you say, near case Gold Coast. Gold Coast, no, near a comprising of the areas that include today, present day Western region, Eastern region, whole part of Eastern region, Central region, Cape Coast area, and only the Greater Accra region, some part of Volta region, and only at the and then yet Gold Coast. Now Ashanti region, Brown and your friends say Bro East and now Bro West near the Dingina, that they were not part of the Gold Coast. Na omudi omuhuso omu say British asset and na omako fight for any liberation because no more gaining omu liberation we omu your independence dada it did not a Ashanti kingdom it did not under Asantehene. And you know that was the reason some cancer history that was the reason sa big six no sa akonjene we na for your tanum ne nkromani JB Danquah-led ni ada hwema Asantehene bia ni manasa bro hafuni broni bia ni nyese bia na the woman intellectuals bia na so many kofubia come because they were independent already. It woman here they were not under Gold Coast. You okay. What happened was the reason ma bro ni Asante for ne you know not nesbeka be journey the Ghana struggle for liberation. He said again it go back to the first Nkrofo to Ghana. Our history, and that's only history because of bigotry, because of ignorance, and that's why you have big intellectuals. Kind of credit say JB Danquah play any role. If it was say if or not JB Danquah, and can be crying independent, in case CP because only JB Danquah and maybe a trouble corner. No yet the now Sergeant Prempeh the second, the lawyer. That was the now Sergeant Prempeh Asantehene personal lawyer, and then JB Danquah, who was a brilliant lawyer. And you want to know the Asante, the now Sergeant Prempeh, the second lawyer. And you know, as member of the, as part of the big six, when Nkrumah, normally had a or play prominent role, and Nkrumah to me call Asantehene, and JB Danquah, where Asantehene lawyer, only the persuaded the now Sergeant Prempeh, as Asantehene of Ashanti Kingdoms, and then yes, kaya ho ni nyina etimi sɛ be ya somebody dindin ne mo domu no mo fanka mu nyina bɛka Goku so ho ni abrafo no fantaso ne che sɛ ye independence struggle no NCP. It was the urging of JB Danquah because Nkrumah no nyina they push JB Danquah so person because no one a personal lawyer of Nana Osei Prempeh the second. And JB Danquah that woman on a persuaded the no Osei Prempeh. A man and us Osei Prempeh. Etiasie say okay. When the Ashanti Kingdom, for Brown part of the northern region, normally echo part of Volta region, OT area, how many other things a Gold Coast. Because think about it, now Ashanti was not part of Gold Coast. Until I say Gold Coast, now Ashanti and the Ashanti Kingdom, a year Brown area, ne Ashanti region, part of the northern region, the other part, near Gold Coast. It was JB Danquah. To JB Danquah must one play any role in the independent struggle of Ghana, no? Or no, as a personal lawyer of the now Sergeant Asantehene, on the Timmy persuaded the now Sergeant Prempeh over and over and over again. And they say, what Tiasia? And then, Kwame Commanding in Africa, who said, Nana, joy is okay, one. Near unitary state, I say unit one, unitary state. Never say that ye model government be, after British, ye be your be like say Queen Elizabeth, I say Queen, and say King, to obey a king. So say ceremonial king of Ghana, the whole Ghana. They say your prime minister and as a president is a British mother, Pepe. That was the arrangement. And he said, Obitin chain, no can say, oh, was too for you be adding the level your penny at the massa. It was a lie. Because that was the reason. So Ghana Constitution, and I say, Ghana statutes about chieftaincy act now say Asantehene and the and the paramount chiefs, and no, that was the origin. In Nkrumah, and the JB Danquah, they came out with that idea because they know say position na Asantehene Kutano. Nenye position kitwa or control by 1/3 or wherever land of Ghana. Until now, it was not part of Goku's. It was the persuasions or the case as a personal lawyer of Nana Osajima Prempeh, the friend JB Danquah, and the man Asantehene and the kingdom journey. The independent struggle. Nti se woni ya attention na say ebi aka say Asantefo na say bruni bia ni big shades no near there because no, they don't need, there was no need for them to be part of it because they were already independent. That's the fact. Now Ashanti Kingdom was independent. Until now we don't need any liberation from anybody. They already got their independence a long time ago. So it was Roa JB Danquah play, one of the major role JB Danquah played this. He persuaded the no 2-4 friend said Osajima Prempeh the second. And on their kingdom, the Asante Kingdom, Asante Kingdom that comprised of Ashanti Region, Brahafo area, Bru East to West, the name Bru West to Anasi East, some part, major part of the Northern region, and it's some part of Volta region, they are part of the Ashanti Kingdom. Then you're part of Goku's. And it was JB Danquah, Nadaruma. Coming, you sure say Asante for Krankia said nothing, Ashanti Kingdom can will be better off. And that is what it is. And because the JB Danquah, see you the Boniaye. So the sacrifice ye or coming command pushing or persuading the no Sajima Prempeh and my becan Goku's no and conformity tinchen, ignorant people be tinchen, say. JB Danquah Nyahwe. O pray row, what could the country for coming from free Europe and I said America by or no a man by Secretary General Secretary actually was our turning against her last meet was actually 2 control detention. Or that whole way when you access to medical care this honeyman, that was a fact. It would be out in China, person kind of number, glorify will be to say cool guitar, cool plotter like. Rollins or kum brave for no reason. We are no aside no and any other day now at the expenses of somebody, a true patron like JB Danquah. Number general can somewhere any area because most of you don't know anything, have no clue about Ghana history. And that's when history about Ghana, you just distort it because a lot of you are dishonest, intellectual dishonest people. A lot of people in Ghana. And outside Ghana, that's what it is. It is so be obliging but say JB Danquah be ama Ghana near that. Why you cram so on the coffee and chroma bar Ghana, man, then Goku's. And also so as a lawyer of Nana Osajima Prempeh the second, on the persuade Nana Osajima Prempeh and that kind of independent we are near one nation. You be your BB to say Britain model of a government until your unitary government. As I say, the power is in the central government as a executive, but we make you a ceremonial, head of state. That's what happened. That was the arrangement. That was the initial arrangement, and that was the idea of JB Danquah and Nkrumah. And that's a fact. It is a one person who and the person catch me say JB Danquah's crucial role in bringing Ashanti's Bronx and the Northness to join the Ghana's struggle for liberation. And to go on, please, one more time, we African Professor, and subscribe, we share with friends and family. I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.